So when it comes to building a home theater setup, one of the biggest challenges is finding a projector that balances brightness, clarity, and usability without going into premium pricing. And that's where this one starts to get interesting. The ViewSonic PX700HDH 3700 lumens 1080p projector is designed to deliver a large screen experience that feels practical for everyday use. The standout feature right away is the brightness. At 3700 lumens, this projector performs in situations where many others struggle. You're not locked into a pitch-dark room, which makes it far more flexible for casual viewing. That added brightness translates into better usability. Watching movies during the evening with lights on, streaming content during the day, or even using it for presentations, it handles all of that without the image looking dull or faded. Now focusing on image quality, this projector sticks with native 1080p resolution. That might not sound groundbreaking, but it's actually a sweet spot. The visuals come out sharp, text is readable, and overall clarity holds up even when you scale the image to larger sizes. Color performance is also handled well. Thanks to its supercolor technology, you get tones that feel balanced rather than overly boosted. It doesn't try to artificially enhance everything, which results in a more natural viewing experience whether you're watching movies or live sports. Setup is another area where things feel simple and user-friendly. Vertical keystone correction allows you to adjust the image if the projector is slightly misaligned. That means you don't have to spend time getting perfect placement every single time you use it. The inclusion of a 1.1x optical zoom adds another layer of flexibility. It gives you some control over image size and positioning without physically moving the device too much, which is useful in tighter spaces. Connectivity is straightforward but practical. With dual HDMI ports, you can keep multiple devices connected at once. Switching between a streaming device, gaming console, or laptop becomes quick and seamless. When it comes to performance, this projector holds up well across different types of use. For movies and streaming, the experience feels immersive. For gaming, it's responsive enough for casual sessions, though it's not specifically built for competitive play. Fan noise is present but controlled. It doesn't overpower the audio from your content, and after a few minutes, it becomes something you barely notice. The design itself is minimal and functional. It focuses more on practicality than aesthetics, which works well for a device that's meant to blend into a home setup rather than stand out. Looking at the overall value, this projector is clearly aimed at users who want a dependable big screen solution without overspending. It's especially appealing for those upgrading from entry-level models or setting up their first home theater. There are a couple of trade-offs to keep in mind. Being a lamp-based system means maintenance over time, and while the contrast is solid, it won't match higher-end laser projectors. But considering what it offers, strong brightness, reliable image quality, flexible setup, and ease of use, it delivers a well-rounded experience. So if you're aiming for a projector that performs consistently across different scenarios, this is definitely one to keep on your list. And if you're planning to pick one up, check the link in the description to explore the latest pricing and availability.